Hello, Sheila again, back from Thompson Leisure. This time I'm going to show you our brand new Burstner Lyseo 644. Come and take a look. Of course you have your toilet cassette that comes standard. In here is where your two gas bottles will go. You'll see in there is your jack for if you ever have a wee accident. Come on ahead down. Here is your huge garage. Look at that. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Back here. You've got your reverse camera as well. Now, in this garage, you'll see your removable carpets. You also have an additional plug socket in there for if you ever need it for anything. Now on this side you'll see your huge awning, and that awning light that strips the whole way across. If you're ever thinking of having a nice barbecue outside under your awning, not a problem. There is your gas barbecue point. Again, there's your mains plug-in, and here you have your outside TV plug-in as well, so you can watch TV with your barbecue. You'll see here are your standard Fiat alloy wheels as well. They come as standard. Now, these vehicles come with an XL welcome door, and then of course you have your electric welcome step. Now, come on inside. So here we are in the cab of the motorhome. Now, straight away you will see the multimedia system built in here. This has your DAB radio, your sat-nav, your reverse camera, everything built into that system. Again, down here you have your aircon, perfect for a day like this. Now, this motorhome is a automatic 9-speed gearbox is built into this system as well. Across you will see your multi-functioning steering wheel with your Bluetooth hands-free, and of course these come with all the additional USB ports and 12-volt plugins that you will need. Now, this cab also has Remus blinds. These are great. These are blackout blinds that go all the way across on this side, and then if you just take a look on this end, they cover on the blind as well, and then just slot back in to place. So this motorhome has a beautiful open skylight. Again, comes with the fly screens that you'll need and your blinds on the other end, blackout blinds again. Now, this motorhome has a bit of a different shape to the ones that I usually show you. Straight away, you have your bathroom and your separate shower here. Now, if you have passengers and you don't want to talk to them, that's not a problem. See you later. And if they don't want to talk to you, they can do the same as well. So let me show you the bathroom setup that we have here. So here you have your separate bathroom and sink. Now, plenty of storage in there, lovely spacious mirrors as well. And you also have your separate shower unit as well. So here is your main home area of the motorhome. Now, I know what you're thinking, where am I going to start? There's so much to show you. We're going to start in the kitchen. So here is your cocktail cabinet. Take a look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Nice for your glasses to be stored in. Of course, you have your wine rack built in here, what every motorhome needs. And just a real lovely finish on that wood as well. There's more storage just blending in with that wood. It's lovely. So over here you have your full cooker, your combined oven and grill in here, and then your 3 gas hob above. Again, you got your large sink, you got your tons of storage, that wasn't storage, you got your tons of storage, again up above. Now, Burstner has this fantastic feature in a lot of their new motorhomes. This is actually a charge rail. This can hook off. You can buy additional adapters and then they just simply hook back on again. there you go. You can actually get adapters for USB ports, for phone chargers. You can buy them online. I just think it is a great feature. It's one of my favorite things about this whole brand. Now over here you have your full fridge. Look at that deep fridge, and then a huge freezer drawer as well. Above that you have your TV point, your TV bracket. So sometimes we do get asked, oh, but that's such a strange setup, having a bed in the back. How does that person go to the toilet in the middle of the night? It's actually not a bed. It can be used as a short bed for a child or an infant, but it is actually an extension for your electric drop-down bed, which I will show you right now. I know that you're eager to see it. I know you are. And here you go. It's just one simple button. Now, you can choose to lie this way, which is perfect, or you can choose to lie this way, which is just as good. Come over here. The benefit of having this extra space means that you have access to your storage up here, and it's also out of the way. So if you have anything private that you want to keep private, you can keep it up there out of arm's reach. So there you have it, our brand new Burstner Lyseo 644. Perfect. It has everything you need. If you want to know more about this vehicle, if you want to know how the seats are arranged, if you want to know how the bedding is made up, please do not hesitate to get in touch. You can contact me directly by dropping a comment, or you can email me at marketing@thompsonleisure.com. Alternatively, you can give us a call on 028 9269 3999. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.